Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Capabilities with Clayton, brought to you by Asset Technologies. In the past, we've been able to repair the Eaton Cutler-Hammer board, but we didn't have any capabilities for anything past that. We're now happy to announce that we can repair the breaker rails, both left and right, that connect to that board. So this board specifically connects to the NCH 1000, PRC 50, or PRC 100. So if you have one of those units in your store and it doesn't seem like it's working correctly, we now have full repair capability from the unit actually all the way back to the breakers. If you send these in, we do ask that you send both the left and right breaker in because we want to be able to test both sides to make sure they're working correctly. Again, this is to help you guys support your facilities, both your facility and your customers' facilities long term. We want to make sure that you guys have the support you need. So if you find yourself in need of repair of the Eaton Cutler-Hammer board or either one of the rails, give us a call here at our office or hit us up at the website assettechnologies.us.